Okay, let's be real for a second. You know that moment, right? You're deep in a chat with your AI, maybe you're brainstorming a brilliant new idea, everything is clicking. And then, out of nowhere, bam! It completely forgets the most important detail you gave it like 5 minutes ago. It's so frustrating. And you're not imagining things, it actually feels like it gets dumber the longer you talk. But listen, the good news is there's a really simple reason this happens, and it's not the AI's fault. Today, I'm going to show you this one simple trick. I call it the Handover Protocol that will make your AI feel twice as smart. Seriously, let's get into it. All right, so to really get what's going on, you've got to picture the AI's short-term memory as a small whiteboard. You know, like one of those in a small meeting room? It's only got so much space, and that, right there, is the root of the whole problem. So every single word you type, and every word the AI spits back out, it's like you're writing it down on that whiteboard. These little pieces of words are technically called tokens, but all you need to know is that they take up space. And here's the kicker. That whiteboard has a hard limit. Once it gets full of all the chit-chat and old details, things really start to fall apart. I mean, for real, I was trying to help my buddy plan a budget trip. At first, the AI was amazing, giving us all these great ideas. But after about 20 messages, it started suggesting the same expensive hotel over and over, totally forgetting we told it our budget was super tight. That's the whiteboard getting cluttered. The AI literally runs out of room to think straight. And this clutter, it's more than just annoying. It has real costs. The AI's answers get slower because it has to reread that messy board every time. Its logic gets worse because there's no room for new thoughts. And if you're on a paid plan, you are literally paying for every word on that board. All that clutter is just wasted cash. But what if you could just wipe that whiteboard clean and start fresh without losing all your progress? Well, you can. And that's the pro move right here. This is the Handover Protocol. It's how you take back control and give the AI a brand new, clean slate to work with. It is so simple, it's just 4 steps. First, you ask the AI to summarize everything important you've talked about. Second, you copy that summary. Third, you open a totally new chat window. And fourth, you just paste that summary right in. That's it. Now, let's look at the exact words you need to use to make this work like magic. This right here, this is the secret sauce. You ask it for a summary, but you're super specific. Just the key decisions, important facts, and next steps. No fluff. Seriously, you should pause and screenshot this prompt. It forces the AI to cut through all the noise and give you only what truly matters. Then, you use this handover prompt in your new chat. You say, hey, we're continuing a conversation. Paste in that perfect little summary you just copied, and then you ask your next question. Boom! Just like that, the brand new AI is completely up to speed, but with a totally clean whiteboard. No clutter. And the result is, honestly, it's instant. You're not just dodging a headache, you're actually creating a way smarter, way more effective conversation. It's like giving your AI a double shot of espresso when it was starting to fall asleep. I mean, just look at the difference here. Before, the AI's mind is cluttered. It's forgetting stuff, repeating itself, it's slow. But after you do the handover, it's crystal clear. It remembers everything, gives you fresh ideas, and the answers are fast and right on the money. It's a total game changer. And you know the best part? This isn't some secret handshake that only works for ChatGPT. This works on everything. Claude, Grok, Gemini, you name it. The reason is simple. They all have that same whiteboard problem, which means this solution works for all of them. So when it's all said and done, here's the big takeaway. When you feel like your AI is letting you down, the problem probably isn't the AI. You don't need a better AI, you just need a better method. You are the one in control here. And with a trick like this up your sleeve, what can't you build?